viewers, today I am going to tell you YouTube update, blog post and 5 different areas which I will show you with the help of clip which I have made on YouTube. Click link and see the update. Clip link is as follows, which you have to follow and click it here to get the clip on YouTube. I'm maximizing.
Let's get into it. First up, we have Susan's quarterly blog post. Decided to focus her blog post on the priorities for 2021 for the whole year, and they are in 5 different areas. The first is expanding the creator economy. Second is living up to responsibilities. The third is teaching people to learn new skills through YouTube. The fourth is building for the future of YouTube. And the fifth is to work closely with governments as we confront complicated regulatory issues. Really interesting stuff there. I really enjoyed reading it myself. Take a look, link in the description if you want to read it.
So this is the update, and I feel it is good for the tutorial channel who can acquire the skill by using the YouTube facility. And thanks for visiting my video. Please like, share and subscribe if you really like this update. Thank you viewers.